Hey everyone! So you have already got or are planning to get a gift voucher? Do you want to know how to use the gift voucher at an outlet? Let me show you how you can use the gift voucher at an outlet. I am Deepika, your host for the day. It's really easy. Watch the video and follow the steps. Use the outlet locator to locate the nearest outlet that accepts the gift voucher. Then click on Store Locator on the brand page. Enter the city name where you want to use the voucher. And it will give you a list of all the listed outlets in your city. Now, visit the nearby outlet and select your product. Share your gift voucher with the cashier at the time of billing and pay the remaining amount by cash or card if required. Simple, wasn't it? Hey, we hope you liked the video. Now visit www.gyftr.com for more exciting offers and discounts. Thanks for shopping with GyFTR.